Have you ever wondered about those tiny, round seeds that show up in soups, stews, and salads? Those are lentils, and they're quite the little superstars. Today, we're unearthing the secrets of lentils, nature's tiny powerhouses. Lentils, small but mighty, have been a staple in diets around the world for thousands of years. Belonging to the legume family, they come in a fun mix of colors: green, red, brown, and even black. Originating in the Near East, they quickly spread through ancient civilizations due to their ability to grow in diverse climates and their essential nutrient content. Rich in protein, fiber, and a host of vitamins and minerals, lentils have been especially crucial in vegetarian and vegan diets as a meat alternative. Besides their nutritional prowess, lentils are versatile in the culinary world, gracing tables in the form of soups, salads, curries, and even baked goods. Their enduring appeal, from ancient civilizations to modern kitchens, is a testament to their dietary importance and deliciousness. Why incorporating lentils into your diet is beneficial to your body. Let's understand the health benefits of this superfood with simple explanations. Number 1. Lentils are full of protein. Think of protein like the bricks of a house. Lentils have a lot of this building stuff, which our bodies use to grow and repair. Protein acts as the building block of our cells, tissues, enzymes, and hormones. Lentils serve as an essential protein source, especially for individuals who choose vegetarian or vegan diets. Regular consumption can help repair cellular damage, promote muscle growth, and provide sustained energy. It's like giving your body the foundation it requires for all its basic functions. Number 2. Lentils provide digestion aid with fiber. Think of fiber as the manager that keeps the digestive system's operations running smoothly. Lentils contain a considerable amount of dietary fiber. Dietary fiber, especially the insoluble type found in lentils, aids in preventing constipation by adding bulk to stools and softening them. This process ensures a smooth transit through the digestive system. Additionally, soluble fiber in lentils assists in managing blood sugar levels by slowing the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream. Number 3. Lentils promote heart health. Lentils contain elements like potassium, folate, and magnesium, all of which support heart health. Folate lowers homocysteine levels, which is a significant risk factor for heart disease. Magnesium ensures the heart's rhythm remains regular and improves blood flow. Lentils, thus, can be viewed as a protective shield, guarding the heart against potential issues. Having them into your diet is like giving your heart a little thank you gift. Number 4. Lentils aid in weight management. Despite being nutrient-rich, lentils are relatively low in calories. Their high fiber and protein content can make you feel full, potentially reducing overall food intake. Including lentils in one's diet can be likened to a strategy where you get maximum nutrition without unnecessary calorie baggage. Number 5. Lentils boost energy. Lentils are like a natural energy drink with their iron and complex carbohydrates. They provide a steady, slow-burning source of energy. Also, the B vitamins in lentils play a vital role in the metabolism of fats, proteins, and carbohydrates, turning them into energy. Including lentils in your diet is like ensuring your body's battery remains charged and efficient. Number 6. Lentils maintain blood sugar levels. After eating, sugar levels in our blood can go up and down. Lentils help keep this sugar balance just right, like a perfect seesaw. The soluble fiber in lentils traps carbohydrates, slowing down digestion and stabilizing blood sugar levels, particularly beneficial for those with diabetes or insulin resistance. Consider lentils as the moderator that ensures sugar in your bloodstream doesn't have sudden peaks and drops, but remains stable. To wrap things up, lentils are truly nature's gift to our plates and our health. Small and simple, but packed with good stuff for our health. They fit into many dishes and always bring along lots of benefits. So, every time you eat lentils, remember they're doing lots of good stuff inside you, even if they look simple outside. If you think today's video is helpful, please hit the subscribe button so we can continue to make more educational health videos. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and have a great day!